Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Josie and I'm back at you with another tutorial video. So in today's video, we'll be faking a long natural hair using Brazilian wool. I think I have quite a number of these tutorials on my channel, but I did all with leave out. There will be no leave outs in today's video, but I'll still be creating the illusion as though the hair is growing directly from our scalp. So I used 3 bundles of the Brazilian wool. I went ahead and cut them to my desired length. Then feathered the ends because we don't want any blunt ends. We want the ends to be feathered to give that natural look. This is the braiding pattern for this crochet hairstyle. It's basically an all back convo braids. There is no leave out. So I'll go ahead and begin crocheting the wool in, and I use the invincible method where I pull only half of the wool through the loop to create a knot. I do so to create the illusion at the back in case I want to put my hair in a ponytail. Also, the secret to this illusion crochet is basically volume. So make sure you are crocheting as closely together as possible as you can. So I saw somebody on here crochet their hair this way and I decided to try it out, and trust me, I wasn't disappointed. So instead of going sideways, the person kept the crochet hook from the back to the front and then pulled the hair through, but then not pulled only one side through, then crochet the side they pull through to make a knot to secure it. Do this once or twice depending on how voluminous you want it to look. Also, make sure to do this before you crochet the rest of the hair. So once that's done, I'll crochet the rest using the invisible method. So here I'm just teasing it a bit to add more volume. So that's how it came out looking. It's giving blowout natural hair. It's giving growing from the scalp. I really love how it came out looking. So you can wear it at this point this way, but I went a step further to trim it a bit, and it was still cute and beautiful. I love it. So, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you tried this out in the comment section. I'd recommend you try it out because it's easy to do. It's very cheap. I use 3 bundles of the Brazilian wool and it costs less than $1. Yet it's beautiful and mimics the natural hair so well. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.